Today, I'll show you how to order clothes from Pinterest. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or go to Pinterest in your browser. Sign in to your Pinterest account. Now, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the clothing item you want to buy. For example, you can search for summer dress, black hoodie, wedding outfit, sneakers, or casual outfit ideas. Pinterest will show you many images, also called pins. Scroll through the results and tap on a clothing pin that you like. When the pin opens, look carefully for a shopping link, a product tag, or a button that says something like Visit Site, Shop, View Product, or Buy. If the pin is connected to an online store, Pinterest will take you to the seller's website. Once you are on the store website, choose the size, color, and quantity you want. Before adding the item to your cart, check the product details. Look at the size chart, fabric information, shipping time, return policy, and customer reviews if they are available. This is important because Pinterest itself usually does not sell the clothes. Pinterest helps you discover the item, but the actual purchase is normally completed on another website. After checking the details, tap Add to Cart or Buy Now. Then go to your cart and review your order. Make sure the size, color, price, and shipping address are correct. Next, enter your payment details. Depending on the store, you may be able to pay with a card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or another payment method. After payment, the store should show an order confirmation page. You may also receive a confirmation email with your order number and tracking details. If a pin does not have a shopping link, you can still try to find the clothing item. Take a screenshot of the outfit or copy the image link. Then use Google Lens or another image search tool to look for similar clothes online. Also, be careful before ordering. Only buy from websites that look trustworthy. Check the store name, reviews, return policy, and secure payment options before entering your payment information. So, to keep it simple, search for the clothing item on Pinterest, open the pin, tap the shopping link, choose your size and color on the seller's website, then complete the order there. And that's how you order clothes from Pinterest. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.